Bocce, sometimes anglicized as bocce, is a ball sport belonging to the boules family, closely related to British bowls and French pétanque, with a common ancestry from ancient games played in the Roman Empire. Developed into its present form in Italy, it is played around Europe and also in overseas areas that have received Italian migrants, including Australia, North America, and South America in Venezuela, Bocce in Brazil. Bocce was initially played among the Italian migrants but has slowly become more popular with the descendants in the wider community. The sport is also very popular on the eastern side of the Adriatic, especially in Croatia, Montenegro and Bosnia and Herzegovina, where the sport is known in Serbo-Croatian as bocanje, a balote. In Slovenia the sport is known as boules, colloquially, playing bocce or bale. Rules and play. Bocce is traditionally played on natural soil and asphalt courts 27.5 meters in length and 2.5 to 4 meters wide. Bocce balls can be made of metal or various kinds of plastic. Unlike lawn bowls, bocce balls are spherical and have no inbuilt bias. A game can be conducted between two players, or two teams of 2, 3, or 4. A match is started by a randomly chosen side being given the opportunity to throw a smaller ball, the giochi pallino in Italian, depending on local custom, from one end of the court into a zone 5 meters in length, ending 2.5 meters from the far end of the court. If the first team misses twice, the other team is awarded the opportunity to place the jack anywhere they choose within the prescribed zone. The side that first attempted to place the jack is given the opportunity to bowl first. Once the first bowl has taken place, the other side has the opportunity to bowl. For then on, the side which does not have the ball closest to the jack has a chance to bowl, up until one side or the other has used the 4 balls. At that point, the other side bowls its remaining balls. The team with the closest ball to the jack is the only team that can score points in any frame. The scoring team receives 1 point for each of the balls that is closer to the jack than the closest ball of the other team. The length of a game varies by region but is typically from 7 to 13 points. Players are permitted to throw the ball in the air using an underarm action. This is generally used to knock either the jack or another ball away to attain a more favorable position. Tactics can get quite complex when players have sufficient control over the ball to throw or roll it accurately. Variants. Bocce volo. A variation called bocce volo uses a metal ball, which is thrown overhand, after a run up to the throwing line. In that latter respect, it is similar to the French boules game jeu provençal, also known as boules lyonnaises. The wheelchair variant of the French game is called pétanque, and is more similar in some respects to traditional bocce. Bocha, another development for persons with disabilities, is called bocha. It is a shorter-range game, played with leather balls on an indoor, smooth surface.